QuoteWerks gives you the ability to quickly update multiple lines on your document using the multi-line changes feature. To update multiple lines on a quote to have the same price modifier, first select the lines you would like to update while holding the Control key. Right-click anywhere on the Document Items window, select Apply, then Multi-Line Changes. Choose the column you would like to make changes to using the column dropdown. In our example, we will select Price Modifier. With Price Modifier selected, type the price modifier you would like to use into the Change to text box. For this demonstration, we will set the price modifier to P20, which stands for 20 points of margin, and click Apply. When we close the Multi-Line Changes window and return to the Document Items window, we can see that the selected items have been updated with the price modifier of P20. As you can see, it's easy to apply changes to multiple lines at once using the Multi-Line Changes feature. If you have any questions or would like to learn more, feel free to reach out to our team at 407-248-1481.